Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to change the size of a button in Elementor. Right now, as you can see, I'm editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and I have simply added a button widget in this section. Now to edit the button, you just need to move your cursor over the button, and here you will find a pen icon in the top right corner. You can simply click on that, and in the left side toolbar you will find three kinds of setting: the content setting, style setting, and advanced setting. You just need to open the advanced setting, and here in the advanced setting you need to scroll down and you will find a transform option. You just need to click on transform option, and here you will find the scale setting. You just need to click on the pen icon in the front of the scale, and here keep proportions on, right? And here you can simply increase and decrease the scale of your button, right? So this is how you can simply change the size of your button in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.